Everyone wants to make additional money without working too hard in the fast-paced world of today. A great way to accomplish this goal is through passive income, which enables you to make money without actively working for it. The development of chatbot and artificial intelligence has made it possible to use this technology to create passive revenue. In this video, we'll look into how utilizing OpenAI's ChatGPT language model is feasible to get passive revenue. So let's get started to see how you may use ChatGPT to make passive money. The ability of artificial intelligence to revolutionize industries is intimately related to the feature of passive income. AI has transformed many industries, and it offers significant opportunities for anyone looking to create passive income streams. Basically, ChatGPT is made to produce responses to natural language prompts that resembles those of human beings based on patterns and connections it has discovered from vast amounts of training data. It can assist in producing passive income in several ways. What if you can apply crypto trading in a chatbot to have a passive income? Is that even possible? This will be a piece of new information and opportunity for passive income. Do you wonder how this will work? Let us have a look. Using the Phoenix platform crypto trading algorithm, ChatGPT may be used to produce passive income and gain geographical independence. You may obtain location independence and travel while ChatGPT and still unable to provide for yourself. What do you think about this? According to the sources, by developing the cryptocurrency trading algorithm using the ChatGPT platform based on the crossover of the 25 and 50-day simple moving averages, Bitcoin and Ethereum trading bots can make money. It is possible to earn $250 during a negative downward momentum using the momentum trading algorithm for Bitcoin that signals buy order when the 25 crosses over the 50 line and sell orders when it crosses under. This momentum trading algorithm is helpful for trading Bitcoin since it signals a buy order when the 25 crosses over the 50 line and a sell order when it crosses under. Without technological expertise, the straightforward approach makes it achievable. You may quickly design the backtest trading algorithm with Phoenix GPT, edit code, and replicate ready-made solutions with only one click. Create a trading bot on TradingView with a BTC SMA 2550 algorithm to automate trading based on a personalized signal and generate passive income in any market. For competition, a new Ethereum squeezing algorithm was developed. Together with a straightforward technique, this method is unproven yet hopeful. Using the 1226 exponential moving average as the basis of simple moving average trading, use the MC80 algorithm using a successful algorithm known as the squeeze algorithm, which employs the squeeze momentum indicator based on the John Carter's TTM squeeze volatility indicator. For trading purposes, the Bollinger Bands indicator determines price bands and squeeze zones based on volatile price movement and momentum. An indicator can be changed to become a trading strategy utilizing PineScript and Phoenix GPT. Profits can be made by going long and closing loans at the appropriate times using a method with buy and sell signals based on the squeeze momentum indicator. Many people nowadays have adopted this technique. They claim that the profitable crypto trading algorithm method was discovered with a maximum drawdown of 70 USDT and a return investment of 16%. Additionally, the GPT marketplace on PanX offers pre-made trading method and a variety of trading bots to help you profit in any kind of market. The trading bot keeps an eye out on markets round the clock and executes deals more quickly and coldly than humans. How do you feel about this crypto method? If you are really good at trading methods, this is definitely going to help you with a good amount of passive income. Are you excited to work with ChatGPT? The idea of the crypto trading algorithm method can be profitable. Along with that, there are several ways to get paid by working with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not a standalone good or service that makes money on its own. It's a language model that OpenAI developed. However, OpenAI offers access to ChatGPT via a number of monetizable subscription plans and APIs. Developers can incorporate ChatGPT into their programs, goods, or services using OpenAI's ChatGPT API. Developers are charged according to how many tokens the model processes, and there are many pricing tiers with the API. This implies that using ChatGPT API may incur expenses. Another way of getting income is through advertising revenue. It can be a sizable source for passive income for website owners and content producers. Content producers that display ads on their website or platform may receive a commission based on the number of clicks, impressions, or conversions the ads produce. A website or platform can make more money from ads the more traffic it receives, because the advertising can create income without the content creator having to put in continuous work or upkeep. They can be a passive income source once they are set up. Due to this, advertising revenue is a well-liked and scalable source of passive income. Another important aspect of earning passive income using ChatGPT is affiliate marketing. It may be a sizable source for passive income for both people and company. People can generate passive income without having to produce or sell their goods by advertising others' goods or services in exchange for commission on each sales or conversion that results from their special referral link. For those who have a sizable email list, social media followings, or website traffic, this can be extremely helpful. by supplying people with knowledge about developing trends, cutting-edge technology, and market possibilities that have the potential for long-term growth and profitability. Investment opportunities insight can assist in generating passive income. Individuals can find investment possibilities that have potential to produce passive income through dividends, capital gains, or other kinds of investment income by using ChatGPT to generate investments, ideas, and insight. This can involve making investments in securities, properties, or financial products with the potential for steady, long-term growth. Investors can also choose where to focus their resources and investments to maximize their profit over the long term by remaining educated about new trends and market opportunities. Overall, understanding investment opportunities insight can show you how to build a long-term revenue-generating passive income stream. Exploring emerging technologies can also assist in generating passive incomes by enlightening people about cutting-edge solutions and businesses that have the potential to be profitable and expand over the long run. Entrepreneurs and investors can create new products or services that satisfies the needs of their audience and generate passive income through sales or subscription-based revenue models by using ChatGPT to investigate emerging technologies and spot market opportunities. This can involve inventing new hardware or software, designing new gadgets, or utilizing cutting-edge technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, or the Internet of Things to produce groundbreaking goods that will eventually bring in money. Additionally, people can make wise choice about how to distribute their resources and investment to maximize their long-term profits by keeping up with developing technologies and market trends. In general, investigating emerging technologies offer an opportunity to develop a long-term revenue-generating passive income stream. Also, finding attractive markets can aid in passive income generation by revealing lucrative industries or niches with strong development potential and a need for brand new goods or services. Entrepreneurs and investors can create new goods or services that satisfies customers' wants and produce passive incomes through sales or recurring revenue streams by discovering these markets. Additionally, pinpointing lucrative market might assist people in concentrating their efforts and resources on sectors with a likelihood of long-term development and profitability. Do you think the future jobs will get replaced with all these AI jobs? What do you think? In 2023, ChatGPT AI technology presents a wide range of prospects for passive revenue generation. There are a ton of methods to monetize your abilities and knowledge with this potent AI tool, including publishing ebooks, freelancing, blogging, email marketing, and YouTube content creation. As a result, ChatGPT is a fantastic option for generating passive income. Individuals can come up with original ideas for new goods, services, and businesses that have the potential to produce passive incomes over the long term by utilizing ChatGPT's advanced natural language processing capabilities. Furthermore, you can develop goods and services that produce cash with no work or attention by utilizing ChatGPT and remaining current with the most recent developments in AI technology. You will be able to gain achievement and financial freedom as a result in the upcoming years. And that's all about it. What are your opinion on the crypto trading method for passive income? Will this change the job perspectives? Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you find this video informative, please give us a thumbs up. And if you like more updated AI news, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss out on any videos and get the notification on time. Don't hesitate to give suggestions for our video. See you on the next one.